1, crescendo!
Match number 83 underway. We're nearing the end of our qualification matches and the end of today. But first, we've got a couple of exciting matches here. Red Alliance Robots quickly scooping up notes all across the board, especially from the center line. CPR 3663. One final note in their machine, and they coast over towards Red Alliance half the field, joining their alliance partners in Teleop. Those notes now scored. CPR making their way back towards the Red Alliance source. Underneath the red stage, they go. Blue Alliance's Panther Robotics 3218. That note up towards the speaker. It falls to the floor, but they can go ahead and quickly reset and retry that again. Meanwhile, their alliance partner, actually I believe their alliance partner scooped up that note. They had already scored one in the amp, and now that second note in the amp, they should be ready to go for amplification when they so desire. Both alliances with 9 notes in the bank at the moment. And as I say that, Red Alliance brings their score up to 11 out of the 18 notes required for the Melody point ranking point bonus. But our score's still pretty tight, 39-36 on the live score. And Red Alliance moves that up now to 41. Red Alliance still holding a lead and trying to strengthen it as they score more notes. Another note from CPR up into the Red Alliance speaker. Small little bump from, I believe that was Panther Robotics 3218, but they're unscathed and they make their way back to pick up additional notes. Underneath the red stage goes the Dragons, 1595. That note in and good for 2 as we cross the 1 minute mark in the match. 1595, the Dragons back again. Another note, they make their way underneath the blue stage. Along the front half now, they line themselves up with the amp. Sitting still for now. Note that note falls out of the front opening. They'll go ahead and reset and try that one more time. Speaking of front openings, there is also a note in the Blue Alliance amp, just sticking right out the front. We'll see how the Blue Alliance teams work to get that freed. Another robot comes in with another note, bouncing that one out. That note comes out, but the note that was hanging there now scores successfully for 1 more point. Amplified speaker in the blue half. Looks like no robots looking to capitalize on that one. And as I say that note, another robot comes in. Note just as that amplification expires. But we're all about the stage at this point. It's 1, 2, 3 robots up on the Red Alliance stage. Dragons stage right, 2 stage left. And I believe the Dragons are spotlit. But it's not up to me, it's up to the referees. And they've indicated 86-73 your final tally. And all 4 ranking points go to your Red Alliance. 2 for the win, 1 for the Melody, and 1 for Ensemble up on stage. Blue Alliance walking away with 1 ranking point as well for the Melody bonus.